Hey Chucky, how do you pronounce that? Hokonui wireless charger. Hey, what's up YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we believe all tech deserves some love and we don't discriminate. Today I just wanted to give you a short video, talk about a Qi wireless charger from Hokonui. The reason why I picked up this charger is because I wanted the ability to charge my cell phone without any cables. Also without a wireless charging dock. Let me stop wasting time and open up this box and show you what's inside. So in the box, you can see that it comes with a wireless charger, a user manual, a thank you card from Hokonui, and a USB to USB mini connection. This Qi wireless charger is capable of fast charge if your device supports it. There are two USB ports, and as you can see right here, you have one lightning bolt on this port and two lightning bolts on this port. So this port right here, if you are looking at it like this port right here actually charges at 1 amp, and the port on the left side actually charges at 2.1 amps. And then you also have your USB mini connection to charge the device up. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery, and it can charge a single cell phone about 3 to 4 times. The height of this is about the same size as an iPhone 10. You can see right here, it's fairly similar, fairly close in comparison. So it's slim, it's nice and slim so that it can fit into your pocket, a travel bag or whatever. You also have the LED display, which is turned on with the power button on the side. So just pushing the power button on the side, it actually displays the percentage of battery that's left. And in my opinion, that's better than having the LED light indicator. So you can tell how much juice you have left on your battery and not worry about 25 or 20% increments with the LED light indicators. And on the back, we have this slide out kickstand. The slide out kickstand is used to dock your cell phone so that you can prop it up and watch movies if you're on a plane or traveling or whatever, just sitting down. But the only thing about this is that you will still have to use one of the USB connections on the side to charge your wireless device if you do have it docked on the side. In my opinion, I think that this should have the ability to come out a little further, because if you have a device that's a little bit thicker than an iPhone 10 or any slim smartphone out there, the less viewing you have, the thicker your device is. LED display will cut off after 30 seconds if there's nothing charging on it. So when you set your phone on here, the charging pad is pretty generous. So it doesn't have to be directly on top like this for it to charge. You can have it at various angles and it will still charge. And if you notice, when I am charging, the LED indicator will tell you which way the power is going. If the power is going out, that means you're in charging mode, and it displays the voltage and the amperage. So at 5 volts and 1 amp, this is just a regular charge. But if you see that 5 volts and 2.1 amps, it is enabling the fast charge feature. One thing that I did forget to mention, the texture of this charger is like a rubberized feel, a smooth rubberized feel. It's a matte black with the shiny LED screen. As I was saying earlier, with this kickstand on the side, if you actually have device that is...
Here's what I found on the web for, as I was saying earlier, if you with this kickstand on the side, if you actually have...
I didn't even say anything to her. She just want to talk, whatever. So as I was saying earlier, if you have a cell phone that is thicker than the iPhone 10 or dramatically thicker than the iPhone 10, I should say, your viewing angle becomes slightly more straight up. That might bother you. I know that will bother me. I just think that this company Hokonui should have made this kickstand more adjustable to slide out a little bit more. Maybe make it longer for those people that want to use this battery pack with a thicker case on here. But I have a case with the kickstand on it, so that doesn't bother me. But I know that it might bother you, and I'm just giving you options, letting you know how I feel about this product. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is a 10,000 milliamp battery. The price, right now, you can find it on Amazon for under $30. I'll have the links in the description down below. And like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, I like this charger because I don't have to worry about traveling around with any wires. I can just set my phone on this while I'm on the go, and it will just charge. Most likely I will still have wires with me, simply because I have kids and maybe their devices might need to be charged, and their devices aren't wireless. Their tablets or iPads aren't wireless. So I will have cables on me, but the beauty is that this charger can charge their tablets or iPads with the USB ports on the top of this. So that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the Tech Love channel, where we don't discriminate and believe all tech deserves some love. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.